Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a review on my entire Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch collection. So as you guys could see, they're all here. And I have 5 Toiletry 26. I have the 15 and I have the 19 right here. So these are just my latest toiletry pouches in my collection. And I love them. I do love collecting toiletry pouches, especially the 26. So also, yes, I have 5. So anyway, let me start with this little teeny tiny one right here. This is the Toiletry Pouch 15, and I love it. So this one is in Monogram canvas, as you guys could see. I got the one that's made in Spain. This was just new. I just got this recently. I didn't even have a rumor of discontinuing this piece. I wouldn't be purchasing this right now because I was planning to buy the 15 and the 19 at the end of this year. But the rumor says that they're going to discontinue this piece for the meantime, and eventually they're gonna re-release this piece next year. And I'm pretty sure next year, if they're going to release the new model or the revamp for this piece, it's gonna cost a lot more. But this one is the classic piece, so I went ahead and added it in my collection. But I totally love it. I have been using this non-stop since I got it. I love it. This is the kind of piece that I could just easily grab and go when I go to the market, because apparently all my essentials fits in here. So these are basically what I needed when I go to the market. I have my key, I have my wallet, and I have my phone right here. So let me see. Yeah, I'm going to put my phone. This is an SE phone from Apple. Fits perfectly right there on the inside. No problem at all. I also have the 4-key holder right here with me. This one fits perfectly as well. And I also have this card holder with me, which is actually empty right now because I'm not currently using this at the moment. So look at that. So if I wanted to bring a lipstick, then I can, but if you're going to the grocery, I don't think you needed that. So this is just something that I could just easily grab and go for when I go for run some errands and stuff. So this one is actually perfect. I was totally surprised. I didn't even realize that this one is perfect until I got it. So beautiful. I just love that this one is structured. You could just lay it right there on the table and it's stand on its own. I do love the structure of these. Even though there is a vachetta right there, I like that a little bit of a touch of vachetta, not too much. So I know that I am very, very sensitive when it comes to that. Let me close this. It's perfect. And also you could use this in your larger purses as well. And yeah, I think the 15 is gorgeous. I think this is actually one of the versatile pieces from the toiletry pouches. And yeah, I would highly recommend, if you still could get hands on these, I would definitely gonna recommend this piece. So anyway, moving on to the next item. This is the Toiletry Pouch 19. I haven't really used this one yet, so I can't even say this is the best one or whatever. But see, it's still stuff on the inside, but I think this one is pretty roomy though. So this is the comparison of the two together. So it's a little bit bigger, and then the comparison of the 26 right there. So yeah, but the 26 has always been my favorite. But since I got this now, I said like, oh, I could just put all my cards in here, and yeah, I think this is perfect. So anyway, so this is my second piece from a toiletry pouches from Louis Vuitton, and I love it. It's like a pretty similar, of course. I mean, I think it's almost the same though. Yeah, it is. I was just wondering why this one right here, the tab is actually very long. I was just wondering why that is. So anyway, so this is the 19. I haven't really used this, but it is part of my collection. I love it. So moving on to the next pouches. So I have the giant monogram right here. This is in a multicolor, and this one is a khaki right here. This one is more likely a beige color. I think this was just, I think they just started the giant monogram when this was released in 2019. That is just, yeah, I think so, if I'm not mistaken. So anyway, when I saw this at the store, I totally fell in love with it. Definitely absolutely gorgeous. I just really love the combination of the print right here on this side, right, that side. It's just like buying a purse. It's just like a 2-in-1 purse, like that. So because if you would this one right here is khaki, and this one is, see, it's a different design and pattern. So I really like that. That's why I like this piece. And also the detailed right at the corner, beautiful. I just love it. And this is actually one of my most used, the Toiletry 26. And the reason why I have quite a few in here, that's because since they are my favorite, I always like to rotate my purse. So if you wanted to, now I never abuse my purses. They last longer. So yeah, I wanted to rotate them, so each one of them has been definitely been taken care of. There might be some sort of like normal wear and tear, but yeah, I got this for a couple of years now, and it's still looking pretty new. I didn't see any wear at all. I didn't see any chipping. I didn't see any chipping at all. So I would definitely gonna recommend, maybe later on Louis Vuitton would release some more of these, because I know that with the Louis Vuitton limited edition pieces, they always have the Toiletry 26. They do, for the collection. I would recommend that, even if it is like, this one is screen printed. This one is so shiny. I actually never treated this. I put conditioner on my other canvas, but with this one, the color, no, I don't touch it, because I'm a little bit scared that there might be a reaction of the leather cleaner or conditioner. But this one is stayed very, very shiny. Absolutely. It's so durable as well. It's like, I love the structure of it. I mean, I just totally love this piece right here. And also, since I love it so much, so I got another one right here, which is actually in rouge, and then the other one is like more likely a rose ballerine. Well, I actually got this both at the same time. I was just debating whether I wanted to get the red, because red is one of my favorite color. I also love the green because it's one of my favorite colors as well, and I cannot decide. So they actually released this separately with the color, and then, oh my goodness, I said, okay, I end up getting two, because they could just easily put this together like that. 2-in-1 purse, just like that. But it didn't happen. But this one is the color right there, the lighter, and this one is more likely the deeper color right there. And I just love this color. I just really love the pop of color. It's so vibrant. This one has a different corner as well, different colors. See the colors right there, and on the other side as well. I did not see any sort of wear on this. Oh my goodness. And I use this quite a lot. I use this quite a lot, actually, to be honest with you guys. And the tab right here, of course, the interior will always be clean. I have some stuffing. This is actually the dust bag, and if I don't use it, I put the dust bag inside of it because I like to display my purse. I want them to breathe. I don't want it to put them inside a dust bag, you know. It's just so ridiculous. I purchased them to enjoy it, to see it. I just like gives me, like, you know, makes me feel so happy to see them, especially with the pop of colors. So anyway, the interior on this beautiful piece is actually, look at that color right there, more likely a pink color. And I got this one, it's made in France though. It's clean. All of them are clean. There's no marks, there's no stain or anything like that, because I know this is a toiletry pouch. You are supposed to, yeah, of course, I use it as a toiletry pouch, but I have an organizer. So yeah, I always put an organizer on these. So anyway, I'm going to show you a little bit later the organizer that I got. So next I have this beautiful piece. This is, they released this year, and this is an empreinte leather, and I love it. I absolutely love it, and I'm so excited, so happy to get hands on these. This became my favorite ever. It is made up of empreinte leather. I love the embossing, the monogram, and this one is actually made up of a very thick material. And I am totally surprised that this one right here is actually very well crafted with, let me just take this one out. So this is my organizer right here, and this one is structured right here at the bottom. It's very thick on this side as well. Those monogram, this is just made up of one continuous piece of leather, so like that. And I do adore this color, and the inside is absolutely beautiful. It is so clean, and love the interior for this. The interior lining is absolutely amazing. That is also in red. Wow, everything is red with this beautiful shiny gold hardware. Oh my gosh, this one is exceptional though. I think this was sold out right away when it was released. They also come up with a blue color, and I'm not really too crazy about that. I love this one better, and wow. I believe that the next, if Louis Vuitton would release a lot more Toiletry 26 in the leather, I would definitely gonna buy it. This one is absolutely amazing. Definitely worth my money, because this one is around $900 and it's all leather. And we all know, guys, that we could always convert this as a crossbody. You could always put it inside your larger purse, or you could just carry it on its own. Versatile piece. So next I also have, this one is my monogram. So the reason why I have two monograms, that's because this one is made in Spain, and then the other one that I have right here, this one is made in France. So when my essay messaged me about this trifecta right here, and I was totally surprised when she said it, they were all made in Spain, and I said, oh, I'll take all of it, because I've been looking for a pouch that are all made in Spain. So I got so lucky. So the first one I got is France and Spain. So that's the reason why I got I have two of these. So now I'm going to show you how I use my toiletry pouch. So all my toiletry pouches has an insert. So I have an example here. This is from Samorga, and I use this a lot, and I also have others right there. And the reason, I mean, it is so easy to use if you have an insert, guys. all you have to do is put this inside on the pouch like that. And also you can actually leave it there if you don't use it to retain it. It actually helps retain the purse structure. So that's why I highly recommend, if you have one of these, to use an organizer. It may not be a Samorga. It could be like anything else. There is a lot in Amazon. It's not necessary that you have to purchase from Samorga. So all you have to do is just, okay, what I usually do is like, okay, I wanted to use the red one, the giant one. All I have to do is take this one out like that and put it right here. You could just transfer it. Just like that. It is so easy. It's so convenient. Just if you have an organizer, because you don't need to declutter everything. You don't need to dig here and there, all of those things, because this one right here is a pocket on the inside. There is several pockets right here, so you could just organize your pouch as well. You could put your mini pochette inside if you wanted to do that. A card holder on this corner, that works as well. Yeah, so this one is a lot of room though, so you could just, so if you want more room and space, so you could just maneuver your stuff inside. There is a ton of room for this piece, and I would definitely gonna recommend having an organizer inside. It is actually a must. So yeah, I mean, sometimes I know that I have used this as a crossbody bag, or sometimes it's in a shoulder bag with this chain. Sometimes I do that to accentuate. Sometimes I don't, but it's so fun sometimes that I could just easily put this right here and just, you know, just a charm, just like that. And also you could always carry it on your shoulder, because sometimes it gets a little bit like tiring, just like holding up your the clutch like that. But if you have this, it is so easy. So yeah, there you go, guys. Those are some of my Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouches collection. So anyway, that's it for, oh, let me just show my favorite. I haven't really, well, my favorite, if I were to choose just one, I'd go for this, because of the leather is very thick. This one is very well crafted. I really love the leather. Even though it's leather, it's not that heavy at all compared to the canvas. I know the canvas is so much lighter, but I really love this empreinte in a Toiletry 26 because it just feels so durable and it's very well crafted, honestly. So yeah, I'll go for this, and I hope they're gonna come up with more colors. I would definitely gonna buy it. And I'm pretty sure the next release is gonna be like over $1,000. I wouldn't be surprised. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.